Hi guys, welcome to this really bad hair day I'm having, guys. Today we're going to be going over this lovely honey infused repair and detangling leave-in conditioner cream. And guys, this stuff here is the truth when you are wanting to get your hair back to the ultimate moisture level. I'm also going to be using the honey infusion gel, guys, and the edge gel from Biocare Labs as well. But this video is more so going to be centered around the leave-in conditioner today, guys, because as you all see here, make sure you turn on that notification bell and subscribe, guys. As you all see here, my hair is very, very dry. I've just had it, just kind of out. I really didn't. I tried to stretch it, but basically it was like a failed stretch. So I just kind of had it in a ponytail. But it was really dry, but I'm going to take my leave-in conditioner, guys, from Biocare Labs. And we are going to be moisturizing and protective styling today. So this leave-in cream is honey infused with shea butter. This jar, guys, is a 16-ounce container. Y'all know how much that is. That's a lot of product. Okay, so this product lasts a long time, and per their the website is $6.99 online. Per online it is $6.99, but in cities it may be a little bit, it's just the same, but it's in cities in Accra it will be a different price. But yes, guys, I love this cream when I just want to get my hair moisturized and just feeling really good. So the benefits of this cream or leave-in conditioner: it repairs hair breakage and split ends, it seals in moisture and promotes elasticity, which I definitely see, guys. As far as the split ends, I don't know if I have split ends, so I can't really speak on that, but it does repair hair breakage. Like my hair doesn't break as much when I put it on, and I guess because it's a good detangler, it's really good slip. And it also states here it supports healthy hair growth, so that's also a good thing, guys. It's an intensive moisture that repairs damage and breakage, leaving hair soft, and I can definitely agree with that. My hair is very soft. As you all see here, I'm doing just 4 flat twists, or I'm sorry, not flat twists, 4 cornrows, just going to the back. I just wanted something very simple where if I want to throw on a scarf I can, or if I just want to wear my braids I can, but my hair is not loose. And that's a good tip as well, guys. If you are having trouble with breakage, or if you want to see more growth, definitely start protective styling. Basically tuck your ends is what I'm saying. You don't have to necessarily have weave braids like with hair extensions. You can just do stuff like this where your ends are tucked away for another day, get them things a rest. Okay, so ain't no wrong with letting that hair rest, guys. But yes, guys, this repair cream and plus the other Biocare Lab products, they are available at City Dia, Melcom, ShopRite, and Game, all in Accra. They're across many countries in Africa, and they're also sold in the States online. So definitely, if you're not in Accra, I'm sure you can still find it, and if you can't find it, you can order it. Very, very good quality products without having to spend so much. So I really love Biocare Labs product. But yes, guys, as you all see, I'm slowly but surely making my way downtown. No, I'm slowly but surely on the 3rd braid now. I always start with a little piece at the front just to kind of have it to fade into the bigger part of the braid. I always just take a little piece of my hair to start off my braid with. And guys, my braids aren't perfect. One, it was late. I kind of did it at night, like very kind of late. It was kind of dark. I may have my light, but it's still a difference whenever between the daytime with my studio light and the nighttime. The nighttime is still not the best light, so I couldn't tell that some of my hair, like towards the back of the bigger braids, some of the braids were a little, I don't know, off. They weren't as slick as I usually like to get them. But honestly, guys, I was just trying to throw something up. So first off, get more wear out of my hair because I'll say I hadn't washed it in a week, but it had been put up. I hadn't really been doing anything, so I was like, let me just re-moisturize it and protect style it. So that's what I did, just to get a few more days. And yeah, so I still actually have them in. I'm gonna probably wash it in about 2 days, you know, just something to kind of last for another week because I'm pretty busy sewing and other things. So but yes, guys, I really love these kind of styles where they're just simple. You could just throw on some cute earrings, but you know, do your edges. So this is how it looks, guys. A little crappy in the back, but as you all see, I'm really loving it. I love these kind of styles where, you know, you can just get up and go, maybe do your edges and you good. Okay, you like those kind of things, just to put up my hair for a while. Bye.